All Manipur Working Journalist Union Amwju and the Editors Guild Manipur EGM staged a cease work protest at the Manipur Press Club yesterday, condemning the burning of press materials including newsprint by unknown assailants in Kangpokpi on August 7th. During the protest, Amwju Vice President Raj Nongthombam said that such attacks on press materials are akin to assaults on societal values and the constitutional right to freedom of speech and expression. He stressed that these actions undermine the fundamentals of democracy and aim to signal to both the public and the government that the media stands united against such violations. Raj Nongthombam pointed out that the attack occurred in broad daylight and questioned the roles of the security advisor, the Kangpokpi District Commissioner, the Superintendent of Police and other security forces during the time of incident. He suggested that these attacks reflect the BJP government's failure to safeguard state highways effectively. He further maintained that the Amwju and Editor Guild Manipur had submitted a memorandum to the Governor of Manipur, Chief Minister, IPR Minister, Security Advisor and DGP.
August ki tang tareta Kangpokpi district ke manung chanpa mafam amada habi tare sakang da bamyoy singna drug ama khama ga truck sida koi newspaper phong bada changba yamna maru yam tang bachi habi tare newsprint ko bachi mayam aduga loina na atopa printing gi material mayam ama laudhar matung da mai thado khibagi thogdog ma tang tare ke lere ki All Manipur Working Journalists Union Amwju amadi Guild of Manipur gi oiba emergency joint meeting ma pangthoi meeting duna hariba crime adu koi yam chauna condemn tawi chumnagi paper roll da attack to win log de printing material da attack to win log de madu koi media da attack to win log media da attack to wa habsi koi leba asigi constitution da piri ba freedom of speech and expression da attack to wani madu da attack to wa habsi koi leba asigi democracy fundamental fabric da attack to wani mar maduna madu condemn to bagal leno na madu ki strong message ama lenga ta and across the length and breadth of the country koi India pomada yohando mathak ta habagi wakhalun da ngasi koi Amwju gi amadi EGM gan also koi Manipur da leba media organization khudi maki electronic print khai da bid loina maki journalist kaltana tana masida thabak tori ba mepam hadi every member every employee khudi mangna masida ngasi sipul laga Manipur Press Club sida koi myam si protest demonstration ama tausi han khoi se tawmina bani